When First Park first opened, they had the Vinci Robot and have been utilizing it since they opened. It has transformed the way that we've been practicing surgery. Instead of having patients be in the hospital for 2, 3, 4 days after a major surgery, it has allowed us to be able to have the patients come in and after major surgery be able to go home the same day, possibly even going home the next day for sure. It's allowed us to be able to take large, benign growths out of patients in gynecology under general anesthesia and be able to remove them through minimal incisions less than 1 inch across. So this is the operative console for the Vinci Robot. This is the viewfinder. I place my head in like this when I'm looking, and these are the two TV screens that I can see the active picture inside the patient as I'm operating. It's a 3D high-definition screens, so I'm able to see exactly what's going on without having to wear the dorky glasses that you do when you see a 3D movie at the movie theater. My controls for my hands are down here, and I put my fingers in them and I'm able to move the levers like this, operating the instruments inside the patient's body by opening and shutting them, moving them side to side, and using my wrist to move the instruments inside the patient like this. You'll notice down here I have different foot pedals, and that allows me to operate the camera and the different angles from the camera, and then allows me to operate the different instruments, switching from one arm to the other and back from burning and cutting and all the different options that I have on all the different instruments. I can see better using the robot than I could if we had a big, huge open incision. The camera is a 3D high-definition screen that I'm looking through. So I'm seeing more than I can see if I had an open incision. We're trying to make as small incisions as possible on our surgeries because it lends to less complications and quicker recovery. And Forest Park is committed to being at the very cusp of the advancement of medicine and advancement of surgery. And they're committed to doing that with whatever technology is available.